Good day guys! Welcome to Hamana Homes, Magalang, Pampanga. Discover the perfect blend of community with more open space and breathing spaces. An exclusive gated community with 24-hour security to keep and save you sounds at all times. I'm gonna show you how beautiful Hamana Homes is. Let's go guys for the tour. Good day mga katuknangan, welcome to Hamana Homes. Now I'm going to show you the model unit which is the Miana Duplex. We have the lot area of 80 square meter and 54 square meter for the floor area. Kung nakikita nyo po yung harap ng ating model unit, ganito po mata-turn over sa inyo ang Miana Duplex. Okay, and on this side, pwede po nating ipabako dito at makakapagpalagay po tayo ng dalawang sasakyan. Okay, let's go inside guys. So I will show you how beautiful the Miana Duplex. When we go inside, we can see the living area here. Meron na po siyang, hindi po kasama ang mga furnitures ha. This is a Miana Duplex na fully finished po. And dito po, kinostomize, linagay ang TV dito. And on this side, dito rin po ang ating dining area. And on this side naman po, pwede ito po yung lanay niya na pwede nating pagtambayan dito sa loob, sa labas. And mayroon na po tayong lababo. And the common area of comfort room nandito. At the back of the Miana Duplex, pwede po nating ipa-extend dito. Kung maselan po kayo sa pagluluto nyo dito sa loob ng bahay, you can extend up to here. So we can make it a dirty kitchen and a wash area. I'm gonna show you now yung taas po ng ating Miana Duplex. Let's go guys. Sa taas po, meron siyang 3 bedrooms and 1 common CR. At yung master's bedroom niya ay meron siyang balcony. Okay. This is the bedroom 1. Kinostomize po dito kung paano kaganda at naglagay po sila ng cabinet dito. So it's up to you po kung paano nyo siya i-maximize yung room natin. Okay. And on the second bedroom, we also have here, we have 2 windows, my right and my left here. And you can put also a cabinet here. And on the master's bedroom, ito po yung kanyang master's bedroom. Ayan. And also the balcony. This is the balcony where you can relax kung gusto nyo pong magkape-kape dito. And the overviewing of this is right over here. Dati kita ang Mount Arayat dyan eh. So as of now, parang wala pa po siya. Okay. I'm gonna show you the common CR of the 3 bedrooms. This is the common CR in the second floor. Now, let's go back again sa baba. Kung makikita nyo bago kayo bumaba, you can see the big window right over here. The purpose of this is para makatipid tayo ng kuryente. So, pumapasok dito ang liwanag para maging matipid sa kuryente natin. This Miana Duplex with a total contract price of 3.7 million plus. So I'm gonna show you guys on my part of this video the computation. So don't forget to call me, and these are my numbers right over here. Thank you mga katoknangan here in Pampanga. My name is Romel Malyari, Unit Manager from Makatangay Realty. Maraming salamat po.